off camera. Your title, how you spell it?
Michael L. Riley. I'm a patrol officer with the Barnstable Police Department, and it's R-I-L-E-Y.
And can you tell me a little bit about what happened last night, what you saw?
Well, we responded to Pitcher's Way right here for what was reported to be a construction machine in the road doing work. As we got closer, we realized the machine was off the side of the road. Somebody was in it, and they were spinning it around, knocking over trees. Right after we got there, we had our lights and sirens on. He drove into the middle of Pitcher's Way, came at us a little bit, and then started south on Pitcher's Way. 5 or 6 police cars were there, trying to get his attention. I was out on foot alongside the machine. It was only moving, I don't know, 2 or 3 miles an hour. And the operator was inside. Looks like a young kid, probably 20, 25 years old. Wasn't paying attention to us. He obviously saw us. Kept moving down Pitcher's Way, driving right at the police cars, probably for 1,000 feet, a little over 1,000 feet. And it wasn't until he struck one of the telephone poles we started being really concerned about our safety and the safety of the people there. Sergeant Ben Baxter retrieved a beanbag gun from the trunk of his cruiser. He was able to deliver 3 accurate beanbag shots to the guy inside, breaking the glass of the cab of the machine. And then the subject continued on. He struck another telephone pole, and then it became a little more serious because he turned the machine, started heading towards one of the houses nearby where there were people outside, and also came at the police officers there. We feared he was going to knock the telephone poles over onto either us or the other people. We were within probably 100 to 150 feet of Route 28 at that point. Luckily for us and for him, he stopped the machine at that point. It looked like he had given up, although it was still running. We were able to get on it, open the door, and get him out of it and take him into custody.
And when you had him in custody, what was his reaction? What did he have to say about all of it?
He really didn't say anything. He was clearly appeared to us to be under the influence of something. We had him on the ground, laying there. At one point, he looked like he almost passed out. We had to check him for vitals. He had did have some injuries from the broken glass, from the broken window, but he really had nothing to say there to us. Eventually, when he got to the hospital, I think he spoke with the officer down there.
So, from your perspective, what did you think about seeing all this? Have you ever seen anything like this before?
Never seen anything like this before. I mean, you see about it, you read about it, but we're for 1,000 feet. We're trying to figure out how to stop this 17-ton machine with a guy in it who was not responding to our commands. So, really had us going there for a little while until we were able to, get him somehow, get the beanbag rounds on him, and convince him that the better thing for him to do would be to stop.
Perfect.